guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made this really cute 3D dress. So I did purchase this fabric from Joann's. It is two-way satin stretch fabric. I did make my own pattern for it. I just used a maxi dress from my closet and I used copy paper and tape, the method that I showed you guys in my previous videos on how I make my own patterns. You guys can go back and see how I did that. So I am just cutting everything out. I did want the hips to show y'all because the hips are showing as I'm getting older. So I'm only going to stitch one side of the dress and I'm going to leave the other side open so I can add on additional fabric. I also got this fabric from Joann's as well. It is like kind of flowers and I believe butterflies. I have to look at it, but they do have like a little forest kind of look on it. And I am sewing this on top of it. I am top stitching that on. And I did leave an opening, so I was able to sew this on. So I didn't sew the two dress pieces together. I only sewed one side, and then I left the other side open, as you guys saw. And I did get this fabric from Joann as well. It's kind of like a translucent fabric, so I am sewing it like that, like how I just showed you guys. And then I'm turning it inside out. And then I'm going to top stitch over it, which I'll show you guys in a second how I top stitch this. So I did do two sides. As you guys can see, I did that side and that side. And I sewed it down so I was able to add the boning that I purchased from Amazon. And I can add the links. So this is the boning here. I'm just putting it in the sides, as you guys can see, to make it look, 3D so it could pop out. And if you guys have any questions, because this is a little bit, complicated, I am more than happy to elaborate on anything that I am telling you guys. So I did sew it down. I closed the ends of it, and I am now pinning it how I want to pin it. And y'all, this part was a little bit hard. I'm not going to lie. You have to really pin it down. You have to really sew it down the way that you pinned it and the places you pinned it so it can look how it looks. So as you guys can see, I'm sewing it down in a circular motion so everything can stay in place and pop out exactly how you want it to pop out. And then I'm sewing where I pinned down as well. Now I'm closing the dress at this time because I already sewed everything on. And I'm closing that side that I left open in the very beginning. And I am using my brother's serger machine. And that is it, guys. If you have any questions, please ask me. This is how it turned out. I really love this dress. I can go into more details about how to do the 3D thing. If you guys want that, please comment below. Thanks for watching.